Brought to you by Doctunes. My name is Henrietta Lacks. I walked into Johns Hopkins in 1951. I never walked out the same, and neither did medicine. Tobacco fields and clover, Virginia clay beneath my feet. 5 children at the table, barely enough for them to eat. I felt the sickness in my belly, something growing wrong inside. Walked into Hopkins 'cause it was the only door open to a woman like I. They laid me on the table, said they'd take a little look, but what they took from me that morning, they never put it in the book. I was 31 years old, I had a name, I had a face, but to the men in white, I was a sample, not a case. They cut a piece of me and put it in a dish, and something happened that they never seen. Those cells refused to quit. They multiplied like miracles, divided and survived. Every other sample died, but Henrietta stayed alive. They shipped me to every lab, from Baltimore to Tokyo. Healer, that's what they called me. But the world would never know that behind a code name was a mother and a wife who died in a colored ward in October of her life. I'm in every lab and every cure and every single vial. My cells have traveled further than I ever walked a mile. They call me healer, call me science, call me medical breakthrough, but nobody called my family, nobody told the truth. Immortal in the microscope, invisible in life. My name is Henrietta, and it's time. You got it right. They used me for the polio vaccine, saved 1 million kids. Used me for the cancer trials, for radiation tests they did. Cloned me, split me, froze me, sold me by the vial and the tray. $1 billion industry built on cells. They took that day gene map and HIV research. Every drug you ever tried, there's a piece of Henrietta in the reason you survived. And while the scientists got Nobel Prizes published every year, my children couldn't afford a doctor, couldn't afford to be here. 20 years before they told my family I existed in the labs. My daughter Devil spent her life just trying to find her mama back. They told her your mother's cells are alive. She thought I was a ghost. The cruelest thing wasn't taking my cells, it was the silence that hurt most. Consent is not a courtesy, it's not a form you file. It's looking at a human being and saying this is worth your while. They built cathedrals out of science on the back of my biology, but never stopped to ask if maybe they owed me an apology. I'm in every lab and every cure and every single vial. My cells have traveled further than I ever walked a mile. They call me healer, call me science, call me medical breakthrough, but nobody called my family, nobody told the truth. Immortal in the microscope, invisible in life. My name is Henrietta, and it's time. You got it right. To my babies and their babies, and the ones I'll never meet, I'm sorry that my legacy came wrapped in someone else's receipt. But hear me when I tell you, your blood runs deep and true. The woman who changed medicine forever looks exactly like you. Don't let them make you small, don't let them file you away. Your mama's cells are everywhere, they couldn't kill my name. From Clover, Virginia to every hospital on earth, the world forgot to pay me, but they cannot deny my worth. They said her cells were immortal, but they forgot that she was human first. Her name was Henrietta Lacks. Say it.